Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to discuss with you all about 5 important English vocabulary words. So let's begin. So number 1 English vocabulary word is able. Able. Spelling A-B-L-E. Able. Able meaning is what? Able means having power to do something. Having power to do something. Suppose if we wanted to tell, I have power to do something. Instead of using that, you will use the English vocabulary word that is, I am able to do something. I am able to do. Means that is, I am having power to do something. That's called English vocabulary word. Number 1, able means having power to do something. Second vocabulary word is above. Above. What is meant by above? Above means at a higher place. Above means what? At a higher place. If we have to tell, it's on the higher place. It is like higher place. Then we will use the word that is above. It is above. It is above. Above spelling A-B-O-V-E. Above. At a higher place. And the third English vocabulary word is abuse. Abuse means to do harm. Abusing. Suppose if we have to tell, they are harming. Means they are abusing. They are misbehaving. Misbehaving means not behaving properly and they are abusing. They are harming a person. That is called harming a person, animal or anything. That is called abuse. Instead of we are using to do harm, we will use abuse word. Spelling A-B-U-S-E. Abuse. Meaning to do harm. So, what are the 3 English vocabulary words? Able, having power to do something. Above, at a higher place. Abuse, to do harm or misbehave. And the 4th English vocabulary word is accept. Accept, spelling A-C-C-E-P-T. Accept. Accept means to agree. Accept means to agree. If we wanted to tell, we agree this one, we agree that one, means we are accepting, we are agreeing, we are okay with that. These are the meanings for accept. Accept. A-C-C-E-P-T. Accept. Means to, meaning is what? To agree. So 5th vocabulary word is accident. Accident means something unexpected happen. If we have to tell something unexpected happen, something we are not expected. Something we didn't expect. So the 5th English vocabulary word is accident. A-C-C-I-D-E-N-T. Accident spelling. Accident means something unexpected. Something unexpected. If we have to tell something unexpected means something we didn't expect, if happen anything, then we will use the English vocabulary word that is accident. Something unexpected. Okay. So these are the 5 English vocabulary words